Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you make sex out of infinite graph here? So let's just go ahead. Earth, water equals plant, wind equals dandelion, water equals wine. Yeah, press earth here. Wind equals dust, wind equals sandstorm, fire. I forgot to put fire here, by the way. It's loading a little bit on this application, so just go ahead. And then water to create the oasis, dust to create drunk, and we're almost there, by the way. So I forgot to put this one over here. What's this called right here? Just put the oh, by the way, you just put the plant here on the top here, and then just put it here, and that's just it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.